Times like these require extra steps to protect your team, customers, and guests. We'd like to introduce you to a great hands-free solution that can help ensure health and safety in your business environment. Where is it ideal? Anywhere, but particularly businesses with great foot traffic, a high-risk environment, and multiple doors. Best of all, this system is very affordable and eliminates the need for your staff to spend their day taking temperatures and checking for masks. Now let's introduce you to our efficient, no-contact system that detects body temperature, face masks, familiar faces, and more. This technology is simple. Power it on and it will start reading temperatures immediately. It will also detect if you're wearing a face mask or not. And when it comes to ease of use, it doesn't get any better. Simply look into the screen and it reads your temperature within seconds.
Temperature normal. Masks are currently required. Please wait.
The system will give clear and concise visual and audio cues once a reading has been made. Each interaction is recorded in an easy-to-use spreadsheet for management or human resources. The face mask setting, as well as the facial recognition feature, is optional and customizable. In fact, this platform can be paired with your current access control or be set up for automatic entry. For facial recognition, you can keep a database of up to 30,000 people, and you can pre-register faces to prevent unwanted persons from entering your facility. No matter how it's installed, it's a plug-and-play device. Whether your needs are for a permanent wired installation or a temporary tabletop setting, the flexibility is great. It can be mounted or set up anywhere. With Wi-Fi connectivity built in, your networking needs are simplified. It can be customized to fit your needs via the onboard software or can be controlled remotely. If you're interested in this system, our team at Cory's Audiovisual can evaluate your business needs, help find the installation method that works best for you, and talk through solutions to help combat the challenges of returning to business.